6121 Flaming Arrow. So there will definitely need to be a landscape cleanup. I actually have a property that's within walking distance from here, and I love it. We're close to Aliante Casino. There are cats. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2. And we can get a paper fan to cover that arched window for about $50. I would say repaint. Definitely redo the carpet. Okay, back to counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. The windows up top may or may not need window treatments. We'll leave that to Jenny. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Okay. And some verticals here. 6, 7, 8. We have a different countertop over here, but Jenny might recommend replacing all of it to the same type of granite. Probably a repaint. So this is a bedroom because we have a closet. 9 windows, repaint, flooring looks fine. Okay. Replace this door, or I think maybe replace it. Maybe replace this toilet, fix that wall. 9 windows. Oh, sorry, 10. I think that was 10 windows. Okay, let's head upstairs. Very strong cat smell in there. Yeah. So that's not impossible to deal with. It can be fairly simple. Repainting with kills, pulling up carpet, sometimes replacing the padding. Okay. Hello? Hello? Okay, this is just paint. It's not a wallpaper or anything. We have more upgraded shutters there, or blinds, sorry. 10, 11. these cabinets look alright, actually. As does this counter and the sink. Looking a lot better in this bathroom. I don't expect anyone to answer when I knock on the closet. By the way, I'm just hoping no one answers. Okay. So vinyl. Okay. Let's move to the other rooms. Okay, so repaint, 10 on the window count, and of course redo the carpet in there as well. 11, 12 on the window count, repaint and carpet. Vinyl flooring, counter looks fine, sink looks fine, as is the faucet. A little bit of wear on the cabinets, but it actually looks pretty okay. Not so bad in here either. Okay. I don't know what happened here. You should let us know on the SRPD. I think it's safe to say a gamer lives here. So we have a fireplace. I think that was 11, 12, so I think we're at 13, 14 on the blinds. Maybe not even put a paper fan up top because we're on the second floor. Privacy is not an issue. So that's the house. Oh.